Hi, this is Devin, your dependable, professional, and pleasant trusted pro with Smith & Company Painting. Today's question is, what is the difference between epoxy painting and epoxy coating? The difference between epoxy paints and epoxy coatings is really just a difference in terminology. Though they're essentially the same thing, there are dozens of different types of epoxy coatings and epoxy paints, and lots of different circumstances when we need to determine which type of epoxy is best. Generally, when we reference the term epoxy paint, we're applying epoxy to a surface that's not a floor. Epoxy coating is then used when we're applying the material to a floor. Epoxy has been around for decades with many improvements along the way. There are different kinds of epoxy paints that are designed to go onto metal, plastic, drywall, and wood. There are also many different types of epoxies that can be applied to concrete floors, depending on what the job is. In a lot of commercial and industrial projects, such as hospitals or restaurants, epoxy paint is applied to walls and floors in high-use areas. Epoxy is much more durable than other types of paint, so in any circumstance where there is a very high-use area, epoxy is generally the go-to material, no matter if it's a wall, a hand railing, stairs, or a large industrial floor. Some epoxies are extremely flexible and can be applied to surfaces that'll have a lot of expansion and contraction. Other epoxies are very rigid and are designed to go onto surfaces that won't expand or contract. Thank you for your questions. Please continue to follow the Trusted Pro series at www.smithandcompanypainting.com and let us know what you would like us to answer next.